Hello and welcome to Rep Africa. Today is the 21st day of August and we have some very wonderful individuals whose birthdays we are going to be celebrating right here, right now on Rep Africa. Usain Bolt, Sergey Brin, Joel Chikezie Aniobi, and Charles Ufoma Ogoro. My name is 100%. I represent the entire continent of Africa, and this very beautiful video is powered by Africa, the entire continent of Africa. Now, if you're an African, if you love Africa, if you have a birthday date, if you love celebrating birthdays like we do right here, we plead with you to support this channel. Please drop some comments, like this video, and share what we do right here on Rep Africa. And if it is your very first time coming across any of our videos, please endeavor to touch that notification bell button so that whenever we upload a new video, you will be notified. We do appreciate your love and support. Thank you very much. Without wasting time, let's dive into the events by celebrating the birthday of Usain Bolt. Usain St. Leo Bolt, nicknamed Lightning Bolt, is a retired Jamaican sprinter, widely considered to be the greatest sprinter of all time. He is the world record holder of 100 meters, 200 meters, and 4x100 meters relay. Bolt is an 8-time Olympic gold medalist, 11-time world champion, Diamond League gold winner 2012, CAC championship gold winner NASA 2005, Commonwealth Games gold winner Glasgow 2014, World Junior Championships gold winner Kingston 2002, World Youth Championships gold winner Sherbrooke 2003, 5-time CAC Under-17 Junior Championship gold winner, 7-time Carifta Under-20 Games gold winner. The list is endless. Awards won: IAAF World Athlete of the Year, Track and Field Athlete of the Year, BBC Overseas Sports Personality of the Year 3 times, and Laureus World Sportsman of the Year 4 times. The GOAT, the greatest of all time, Usain St. Leo Lightning Bolt. Happy 100% birthday to you from Rep Africa. We love you. 100% to you. Our next celebrant is Sergey M. Brin. Sergey M. Brin is an American business magnate, computer scientist, and internet entrepreneur. Together with Larry Page, he co-founded Google. Brin was the president of Google's parent company, Alphabet Incorporated, until December 3, 2019, when he stepped down from the role. He and Page remain in Alphabet Incorporated as co-founders, controlling shareholders, board members, and employees. Mr. Brin is among the top 5 richest persons on earth, with an estimated net worth of $112.7 billion US. Mr. Brin, you and Mr. Page gave us the platform that enabled us to do this program. So Rep Africa is grateful to you and Mr. Page. We are very proud to be associated with this incredible platform, Google, albeit in a very minute and inconsequential capacity. So all of us here on Rep Africa, plus billions and billions of people all over the world who make use of Google one way or the other, we all are saying happy 100% birthday to you, Mr. Brain. You are unbelievably 100%. Our next celebrant is Joel Chikezie Aniobi, Commander na Nkerefi. Mr. Joel Chikezie Aniobi, aka Commander na Nkerefi, is the chairman, Nkerefi Development Union, Lagos Branch, Nigeria. He is a man of high values and principles, a man with impeccable character, whose leadership qualities are simply enviable. Integrity, check. Gentility, check. Humility, check. Leadership by example, check. Hardworking, check. Proactiveness, check. Willingness to serve, check. Whatever leadership qualities, man, name them. He has them all. He has served Nkerefi in various capacities, came out with flying colors, and is still serving. Commander Nkerefi is simply a blessing to the people of Nkerefi. Nkerefi, as we all know, is one of the greatest and one of the most elite communities in the whole of Africa. Here is Commander being honored with a prestigious award as the best town union chairman in Nigeria. Here again is the Commander with the immediate past SSG to the Enugu State Government, Dr. G.O.C. Aja. Here is the Commander being interviewed by the Enugu State Government Press inside the Enugu State Capitol House during a congratulatory visit to the State SSG, Dr. G.O.C. Aja. Commander, Rep Africa is joining hands with the wonderful people of Nkerefi, Enugu State, Nigeria, and the rest of Africa. We all are wishing you a happy 100% birthday. You are a great son of Africa, 100%. The last, but not in any way the least of our celebrants, is Charles Ufoma Ogoro, aka Charlie Million, or Yakulda say Charlie Billion. A beautiful man. Yasi wa mi ase Jano. A handsome man. Fine boy, original. Sen. I'm a conscious man too. So me I go talk about him a little in a king's lingua, Jamaican style. Yeah, me know? 100%. Mr. Charles Ufoma Ogoro is a banker par excellence. He is a staff of Zenith Bank PLC. Zenith Bank PLC, as you all know, is the best, the biggest, and the strongest bank in Africa. Charlie Million is a jolly good fellow, kind, gentle, friendly, and nice. Charlie Mill, Rep Africa, is proud to join Zenith Bank PLC. Your friends and well-wishers, Nigeria, and all Africa, we all are wishing you a happy 100% birthday. We love you here on Rep Africa. You are absolutely 100%. Now, if today, the 21st day of August, is your birthday, it doesn't matter where you are on the planet Earth, Rep Africa is also celebrating you. We wish you every single thing you wish for yourself and 100% more. We hope and pray that by this time next year, we shall be here to celebrate you bigger and better. God bless you 100%. Please do remember to go to the comment section. Tell us about yourself and wish your birthday mates a happy birthday. Now, ladies and gentlemen, please show to the world that you love the celebration of birthdays. Give this video a thumbs up, like it, share it, and subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you are also supporting us immensely. Thank you so very much. Till I come your way again, take good care of yourself. Me love you 100%.